I filled the tub for my cow's bath today.
Old MacDonald filled a tub, E-I-E-I-O. Ready to give his cow a scrub, E-I-E-I-O. With a cell here and a cell there, here a cell, there a cell, everywhere a fill. Old MacDonald filled it up,
She shakes her head, refusing to go near.
His cow dipped one
scratch my
hoof
beard,
in the water,
thinking of a plan.
E-I-E-I-O. Jumped right back, oh what a
stones in the sun
bother,
to warm me.
E-I-E-I-O. With a jump here and a jump there, here a jump, there a jump, everywhere a jump. The water was too cold, E-I-E-I-O.
Stones into the
He
tub.
touched it too and gave a frown, E-I-E-I-O. Too cold, he said, looking down, E-I-E-I-O. With a touch here and a touch there, here a touch, there a touch, everywhere a touch. Old MacDonald felt the chill,
She
E-I-E-I-O.
cautiously
He
sniffs the
thought a
warm water.
while, then had a plan, E-I-E-I-O.
She dips her
To
hook
warm
and
some
stays
stones
this
as fast as
time.
he can,
Stones
E-I-E-I-O.
into the tub.
With a think here and a think there, here a think, there a think, everywhere a think. Old MacDonald found a way, E-I-E-I-O. He placed the stones out in the sun,
I tested again.
E-I-E-I-O.
It feels just right.
Warming up till the job was done, E-I-E-I-O.
She cautiously sniffs the
With a
warm water.
warm here and a warm there, here a warm, there a warm, everywhere
dips
a
her
warm.
hook
The
and
sun
stays
warmed up
this
the
time.
stones, E-I-E-I-O. He lowered
She
them
steps
in till the
fully
job
in,
was geared,
Wash her
E-I-E-I-O.
happily in the warm
Steam rose
water.
softly in the air, E-I-E-I-O. With a steam here and a steam there,
She steps
here a steam,
fully
there a
in,
steam, everywhere steam. The
Wash
water
her
grew
happily
warm
in the
and
warm
nice,
water.
E-I-E-I-O. His cow sniffed close and felt
warm
it right,
stones into the tub.
E-I-E-I-O. Stepped inside with pure delight, E-I-E-I-O. With a step here and a step there, here a step, there a step, everywhere a step. The cow stepped
I
in at
tested again.
last,
It feels just right.
E-I-E-I-O. He washed her clean in the warm
She
bath,
cautiously sniffs the warm
E-I-E-I-O. A clever farmer showed the path,
She dips her hook and
E-I-E-I-O.
stays this time.
With a yay there, here a yay,
She steps
everywhere a
fully
yay.
in,
A warm and
calm.
happy day.
Wash her happily in the warm water. Warm solution saved bath day.